Hey, chat. Want to hear me type something in chat? You hear that? No? The sound dampener really doing me some work here. We finally got a mechanical keyboard, boys. Look, it's all red switches. It's a rainbow color for pride or whatever. How much was it? It's like entry-level mechanical keyboard. It's like 60 bucks or something. It's so heavy. Why is it so heavy? Yeah, $10 mechanical keyboard. $10 mechanical keyboard. There aren't even switches. There's just a tiny gnome inside the keyboard that snaps their fingers when you tap down on the key. How many keyboards do you have at the moment? At the moment, we have 2 functioning keyboards that I own in this house. Possibly more, depending on how loose your definition of functioning is. Since I haven't thrown away the old ones. Don't I type super slow anyway? Were the clickety-clacks that bad? No, the problem was the previous keyboard was wireless. Oh, God. I wish I could describe to you guys how fucked my keyboard situation was. Basically, the wireless keyboard was cheap, and I have my actual PC a little while back that way just because the orientation of everything. So, like, if I had my keyboard centered, like right here, where my hands normally rest, it would lose like keys all the time. Like it wouldn't register the key presses because it's wireless. So like sometimes I would be playing a video game and it wouldn't be registering my typing, or I'd be typing emails and it wouldn't register it. So I'd have to shift my keyboard over inch by inch closer until like playing hot cold. I had to wait till I was close enough to the actual PC for the wireless input to kick in again, you know? And and it's so I'm like leaning over here, like yeah, I did this for months, okay? I did this for months. It was a dark time in my life. But now we have a wired keyboard. How many words a minute can you type? Do you want to try really quick to bust this thing in? My word per minute is pathetic, okay? I type with 2 fingers, all right? 1 minute test, medium text. All right? Let's see. Okay? We'll see, okay? This is going to suck. Okay. In before 60 words per minute. You think I'm going to get that high? 60 words per minute? You think I'm going to get that high? No. No. I'm not going to lie. What? That's better than the average typist? Do people fall asleep at this test? I'm in the fluent category? That's okay. All right. This thing's jerking me off. Okay. All right. Jesus. This is a test that like dementia award nurses use to keep their people awake. Okay, Jesus Christ. Okay, all right. Jeez, it's for boomers like yeah. Look, I'm in my element right now. Okay, I'm in my element. All right. Jesus. Now you just need to learn to touch type. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know. I don't know.